Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Looker instance URL. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to the Looker Studio website and log into your account. Once signed in, you'll land on the Looker Studio homepage where all your dashboards and reports are displayed. Next, select the report or dashboard you want to work with. Once you've opened it, look for the Share button, which appears as a small share icon or drop-down arrow near the top of the page. Click on this button to reveal the sharing options. From the menu, select Get Report Link. This is the key step to retrieving your Looker instance URL. After clicking Get Report Link, you'll see unique URL for your specific report. This URL is your instance link, which you can share with team members, stakeholders, or clients for direct access to the dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully found your Looker instance URL. So that is how you can get Looker instance URL. So that's all for this video. Thanks.